They say when the tune of the music changes, the dancing step also changes. We can't fold our hands any longer. Odera need to be eliminated.
No. Don't say that. Don't you know that the leaves have ears? I have not gotten to this. Come on.
Of course it has, Neka. They say when an animal runs desperately in the bush, the hunter shoots his desperation.
Not at the expense of shedding blood. See, I'm not part of this.
Neka, you're walking out of us. We started all this together and we will end this together.
Let's go. Neka, wait.
You see, I will not lie to you. You see, I will not lie to you. Forget about all these plans, all these strategies that you're bringing. That is not working. Up here.
From the way we are seeing our father, that man too tough. We need a very hard format.
Can you people allow me to think? Let me think. My brother, whatever you are thinking, anything you want to think very fast. Think very fast because guys are roasting in this village. Let me tell you, guys need money. We need the money. I have an idea. Again?
There's a way we can still make money, take money from your father without sharing the properties.
I don't think that the one is going to work. That one no go work. Now, is it this one you said now? Shut up. That one you said now will not work. It will not work because there is no any other way I think we can get money from my father apart from him sharing the properties and giving us our own share. Simple. For us to go and sell or do whatever thing we want with it. Come where? Come where? For what?
Let me give you the idea now.
You have an idea? You want to tell us? You come here. Come here, come talk the idea.
Okay, listen. You understand what
is it that I'm not walking on the straight line? Huh? No. I know I'm angry. I know I'm not happy, but I'm not supposed to be. Maze Jofo, good day.
Good day. How are you?
I am not fine at all. I'm not fine.
How? Why are you not fine?
Maze Jofo, I am not fine because of your two sons.
How?
They are now becoming hoodlums in this village. Now they even smoke in their home. You don't carry women around in this village anywhere, anyhow. I don't know if you are aware of it.
Miyanki, amakwa monyebu. Okwa prophet mdem wokebu. I know you very well. I want to know, is this alcoholic ministration? Now, or are you straight? Are you okay? Huh? Okay. The truth is that I've not seen. I'm not aware of all this. I'm not aware of it. So since you've said this, I will look into it and I will take proper action. Okay? Yes.
But please, so don't let them know I am the one who told you.
Hi. Look at even a drunk that is almost a madman. It's now aware that my children are useless. Hi!
What Uche said is very, very complicated. It's complicated. You understand? I don't think that was a perfect idea.
If he happens to be unsuccessful, what will be our stand in our entire family and village?
That is where the problem matters. The problem matters. You understand? That's where the problem is. If it turns out unsuccessful, the story will not be funny in this village at all.
But if we are stepped to do that, how can you trust Uche? That's the point.
What is there is let us give it a try. Let's try it. Let us.
Aye. This one, both of you are out here like a sheep that is sending to an unknown destination. I hope all is well.
There is a way somebody would practice one particular thing to become a culture. And before you know it, they will use what you do and name you after what you do. You are a me. Do you understand? If you're me this thing, you're me. You're drunk. You're high. Whenever you are high, whenever you're drunk, you talk too much. In my own opinion, I will say that because you're drunk, go to your house, go and relax yourself. You will be fine. Go home and relax yourself.
Okay. Keep that your stupid advice to yourself, oh. Please keep that. See, I'm also advising you to go to your house and go and eat, because as I'm looking at you right now, I'm seeing Indian hemp packed inside your brain, and they cannot. It wants to explode, like it wants to pop out from your head. So you need to go home and eat.
Please, let's go. Let's leave this drunk. We don't have time for this drunk. Let's go.
Can you stand one place for like 1 minute without shaking?
I'm standing.
You're standing. Like this.
I'm standing.
Just look up. Look that palm front. See the way the palm front is moving. That's how you're moving. Are you a palm front? Did you see it? Nonsense. Look at. Let me tell you. One day, I will mistake you for Indian hemp and smoke you. Do you know a wrapped Indian hemp has no figure? It's always straight like this. That is how you are. I will mistake you one day for a wrapped Indian hemp and smoke you. And you will not like the way I will smoke you. Oh, come now.
You will smoke me.
Hey,
Mega, you will smoke me. And if you try and smoke me, any day you try and smoke me, if any you did not put inside the bush, you know, that is when you will know that after them now, if you convert it into wheat, you will stand it. You will not stand it. Smoking a smoke. He said he will smoke me. Try it and smoke me, and you will see the strength I have.
Anyhow, just got it down to eat.
I know it's because you want to eat. That's why you brought the plate. But I won't give you because it's small. I can see that's the only reason you brought this plate. Because you want to eat it.
Be like
and
that.
It's very small. I can just chew it. If I ask you to go and pluck it, you won't pluck it.
Mama, leave it like that.
Finally, I have made it.
Other than Mama, what is it?
Finally.
What have you made?
I have made it.
Is that why you're holding your treasure?
I have made it.
What did you make, Mama?
Would you believe that your son are looking at here made 280 in his jam?
I Mama, 280.
280.
Other than you scored 280.
280.
Congratulations, Mom.
In his jam.
You got the one
got 280 in his jam.
Oh, please you. The brother scored 280.
280 in his jam.
Almost.
See, Mama, let me tell you something.
Now, congratulations, Mom.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Mama.
Let me tell you something, Mama. Scoring 280 or 350 or 400 or any number is not the issue. The issue is where will he get money to be trained in the university?
Almost.
That's exactly the same thing I was thinking. Going through the university requires a lot of money, not just any small money. Where's the money going to come from?
Leka, God will provide.
Exactly.
Our God, no to shame us.
Amen. I have not begged you people. I have not begged you people. Allow my son to celebrate it. Mama. God will provide. How? I don't know. But
see, the reason I called us here is because of the bad dream I had last night. We need to be very careful from now onwards. We need to be careful of where we go and what we eat.
Specific. What's the dream about?
Honestly, the dream was so twisted. I saw killing, bloodshed. It wasn't clear.
Ilian,
That means you need to go back to your sleep and get the pictures of your dream. You don't tell me that you started having symptoms of high blood or malaria. See, this is not a case. Please, let's not just make a caricature of this thing. I am telling you what I saw. I don't know how to explain, but we need to be very careful.
Okay. I've heard you. You just said the dreamer.
You just said the dreamer.
See, this is not about being the dreamer or not. This thing is about what I
now. My daughters, I wish to officially let you girls know about my plans of training Odera at the university.
Mama, I hope you are not planning to go and borrow money.
Borrow money? Yeah. I'm not going to borrow any money.
We know, but wait though. Hope you're not planning to sell one of the land for Odera's sake.
See, Ify, calm down. Let's hear Mama out first. Let's know what she's trying to say.
Okay, if you people must know, I intend selling one out of the 3 lands so that I can use the money to train Odera at the university.
Mama, that is not possible. You know Odera has no right over our late father property.
Lie.
Are you aware that the 3 of you girls, do not have any right over your father's property?
Mama, we have full rights. Odera is an illegitimate child, so he doesn't have any right over our father's property.
You do not have any right, whether legitimate or not legitimate. Where you have rights is at your husband's house.
Mama, don't say that. I can't accept this. What are you saying? It's not you and Papa, our late father, that gave birth to us.
And so?
For the fact that we are not married, this is our father's house, this is our right.
Anyway, like I said before I started talking, I said I wish to officially let people know. I didn't say I want to seek your opinion. I am not asking for your opinion to this. The land left is my husband's land. I will do with the land as he pleases me. And what he pleases me to do is to sell one land and use it to train Odera, whether legitimate or illegitimate. Because just so while I'm going to kitchen car or just put fire. Let me see.
Mama,
I don't care.
This is our father's plan.
It's 3 land. One is for me, one is for Nek, and one is for Chioma.
Okay. Then I will leave her at the sky. One is for you.
One is our father's land. Those land are...
I don't ask for your opinion. I do not ask for your opinion.
Odera should go to his family.
When you get to your husband's house, you tell him not to sell the land.
Mama, we are not married yet.
You will get married. You are not going to remain here.
Those land are...
This one is my husband's house.
Monitor Mama closely these days.
Not only Mama, we need to mount security on those land in case of any strange movement in the land.
To me, I suggest that we report this matter to the elders. They can handle it.
No. It has not gotten to the extent of involving the elders. We can handle this.
Okay,
we can handle it.
Self-soon.
We can handle it.
Come on, call your father's number.
My father's number. I cannot remember it though. I cannot remember it though. Please don't let me go. Let me go. Who sent you? I don't know anything though. I don't know anything.
Look at this girl. Look at this. What's wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me. Nothing's wrong with me. Just Mama, get my phone. Please, give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me. Give me my phone. Let me go home. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go, please. Please give me my phone. Give me my phone. Who sent you? Who sent? What have I done? I've been innocent. I've not done anything. I've not done anything.
Where are you now?
Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Please, oh. Please give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give me my phone. Let me go, Mom. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
See, I would suggest that we don't call my father yet.
Why?
Because I want them to start searching for her so that the matter will become so serious.
But you know she can't live in that uncompleted building.
That's true.
Yes. At midnight, you know, we'll take her to my house.
But that would be risky. That would be risky.
It won't be that risky. Have you forgotten that UC's compound is close by?
Yes, you are right. You are right.
Somebody has to sleep.
Okay. Yes, you are right. So, one of us will have to sleep with
Yes,
her.
I'll sleep there. That one is not a problem. I'm going to sleep with her.
See these guys, well, don't trust me again.
My brother, come on, leave trust for this matter now. Leave trust. With my brother sister we're talking about.
Emeka, it's me. It's you.
I know it's you. I trust you. But it's the devil that I don't trust. So that is my blood sister. So forget it.
Forget that.
Forget it. My brother, have fun. You still have this thing. Let's ginger our spirits.
I know get.
From here now, to that tree there, to that tree there, 100 by 100.
No now. This is 50 by 100. This is very obvious. This is 3 by 100.
Okay, maybe if it is 50 by 100, mean 100 by 100 is supposed to be the other side.
See, look at that white tree. That is the tree he showed you that day.
Hey! What are you two doing in our land?
And what is the meaning of that stupid question? Don't you have respect?
Respect my feet. By the time I close and open my eyes, both of you must have disappeared from here right now.
And if I may ask, what right do you both have to interfere in land matters? What right?
So you still have the impetus to talk to us, to question us?
Sister, calm
Abia.
down.
Hey!
Sorry, sir. Continue with your work.
Don't mind them. As I was saying,
Let me show you now. From here now to that tree, 100 by 100. Down.
Do you know what we use this stick to do?
Mama, is it not discovered children?
Yes, and it is used as chewing stick. I know you don't know about it. No.
I was not born there.
Where are your sisters?
What is it? And even you have white dogs as daughters.
How do you mean? My daughter's wild dogs. How?
White dogs of yours nearly cut off my head and my friend's legs.
How is that, Mazuki? How is that? Making a money cheating by that man. Chiama. Dafa, did you hear what he said?
Yes, Mama. In fact, said, you're lucky. To be honest, Mama, if I were to be there, then what would have happened now? Hey, Zuro.
Silo.
Mama, what was he doing in the last?
My father's land, you will not sell it. Land is our own. Why will you sell our father's land?
Papa, we have to do something. We can't just fold our arms.
This is unspeakable. It's unbelievable. Yeah? How will Mercy sleep outside this house for 2 nights? 2 nights? No. No.
Papa, you're right. Something is wrong. I think we should go and search for her. Let's go in search of her.
But where will we start searching for her now? And Mercy don't have friends.
Let's go in search of her. And also inform the villagers about her disappearance in case anyone sees her.
Why? There's a woman under a kidnapping. Am I a billionaire? Am I a billionaire? If you look on under a kidnapping, hey!
Let's go and look for her. Instead of staying here, let's go and look for her. Let's go and look for her. Let's go out and look for her.
And the man decided for good. Let the man decide for him, my God. Otera otego, Adameku wanike. Let the man suggest for him. Let the man decide for God, my God. Otera otego, Adameku wanike. Tomorrow can be yours. It can be mine, no one knows. Adameku wanike. It can be yours, my God. Otera otego, Adachoku wanike. It can be mine, it can be yours, or someone else. Adameku wanike. It can be mine. Otera otego, Adameku wanike. And the man decided for good. Let the man decide for him, my God. Otera otego, Adameku wanike. Let the man suggest for him. Let the man decide for God, my God. Otera otego, Adameku wanike. Achuru wanike.
Please ask Miyaki, please, have you seen her sister Mercy?
Your sister Mercy?
No, it's not as if she's missing.
Like that. It's just that.
Just that what? See, stop pretending and in fact, stop twisting words and tell me what the problem is.
Okay, the thing is, Mercy has been missing and she has not slept at home for 2 days now.
Hey, she is missing. This is a very serious a case of disappearance. But anyway, I have not seen her, so I don't know. I've not seen her.
Okay, no problem. Help us and be searching for her now, please.
Be better.
Fine and good. People want my help, I will. But you people have to fire me searching fee.
I say, which one is searching fee again? Help us and look for somebody. You are looking for searching fee. Please come, let's go, please. You're not serious. Please, come, let's go. Help us and look for somebody.
I am not serious. I am not serious. Come, see, with this searching fee, it will help my ministry. When I now take something, you see that I'll start seeing where I'm not supposed to see. Where they are hiding things, I'll start seeing it. Or you want your sister to, will I say miraculously, or will I mistakenly enter into the hands of a ritualist and the kidnappers, and they will now collect vital things, head first and other vital things from our body. Then is that when you will be happy? Can't you help my ministry so I help your own ministry? Come, see. I don't even need to follow this place. People have even spoiled this road. Let me follow another road. Something you will give me so that I will now use it and take alcohol and start seeing things I'm not supposed to see and where they are hiding.
so just for him. Let the man decide for God.
Odera, say what you want to say and get out of our sight.
Okay. What I'm saying is that I might not have full right over Papa's property. Yes. But partially, I'm part of this family.
So what are you trying to say?
Okay. Please, you girls should allow Mama sell that plot of land and sponsor my educational career.
Will you shut up that dirty thing you come out? How dare you utter such disgusting and annoying words? Okay, if Mama sell that plot of land, which is our inheritance, to sponsor in school, what will be our fate?
You don't seem to understand me. If I come back from school that time, then I'll demolish this house and build another one.
See you, Julius Beggar. Hey, are you see? Dangote. I beg if you come and escort me somewhere.
You want to go to school? You work for your own money.
Let's go now. Escort me. You're talking rubbish.
So you don't want your brother to become a graduate?
Graduate, kill you there.
You don't want me to become a graduate?
Go school, F. You want to go to school, work for your money.
You don't want me to become a graduate? Okay, you busy money.
Hello? Hello? Who is this? And why are you calling me with private line?
That question is irrelevant. Listen to me. Speak to your daughter.
My daughter?
Papa, please save me. Oh, do anything you can do to bring me out of here. I don't like this place.
I will do. My daughter will do. Everything I will do.
Papa, please, I don't like this. Papa, hello. Oh, now let me talk to my father now.
Hello, my daughter. Mercy.
Oga, the only thing that will make you see your daughter again is 2 million naira.
2 million?
What? No, kidnapper is too much. How can you tell me to bring 2 million? Where can I get 2 million from? How can I get 2 million? Okay, let me just pay 500,000.
I can't accept 500,000 naira. Are you stupid? I can't accept 500,000 naira.
Kidnapper Biko.
You have listen to me. You have just 4 hours. 4 hours to pay the ransom. Stupid man.
Hey! Whoa.
You need to let me out from here. Let me go out though.
Stupid
if my
man.
brother catches you, if my brother search for me and he catches all of you here, he will beat you. If I make a brother Obi catches all of you, he will beat all of you. Don't say I didn't tell you or don't say I didn't.
Shut up there.
I'm telling you, go for my brother catch all of you. They will beat you. They will beat you. Let me go up here, please. But I make a beat all of you.
Hey!
What is it?
Kidnappers.
Kidnappers is what?
Kidnappers, you bomb kidnappers. Some people has kidnapped your sister.
Kidnap my sister. Okay. When did kidnappers start operating in this village? Jesus, Lord of Jesus. What are we going to do now?
I don't know. I am confused. I am totally confused. The most annoying one is this. Is that they are demanding a ransom of 2 million naira.
Hey! 2 million. 2 million. Where are we going to get 2 million from?
Hey!
And the man decided for good.
My sisters,
And the man
you can see that the tone of the music have changed. The dancing step has to change also.
You're right, but you can still clarify us on it.
Since Mama decided to sell one plot of the land for Odera, we have to demand for our own portion of land too.
That's a pretty good idea, but you know it's not going to be easy. Definitely it's not going to be easy.
But since Mama wants to sell one plot of land for Odera, if she must sell that land, then we must have our own cut of the land or money too.
Yes, you're right. We have to fix a meeting with Mama today or tomorrow.
Immediately, we have to get our own cut of the money. It's too much. They are all Mama's children though. Odera is not the only one. We have to get our own money. Odera again.
So just for me, let the man decide for God, Odera, Otego,
Papa, where are you going to?
I'm going to Chief Moise's house. Yes. I want to know if I can get the DPO's contact.
DPO contact for what?
You're asking for what? Because of Mercy's kidnap.
Papa, please don't try it. I beg in the name of God. Don't try it.
Why?
Involving police in kidnapping matters is always 50-50. Is it that Mercy will be killed or she will return alive? Ask and think very well before you take any action. I've said my own. No.
Okay.
I greet you. This one you are standing thinking, all alone here. I hope all is well. Or is it the first stage of madness? No, I'm just saying no, because I just saw your son. Obi Dada. Obi. This one you are coming and you are talking to yourself. Is your medulla oblongata okay? Or maybe Indian hem has not graduated in your brain that you are not even reasoning well anymore. Obi, see, let me tell you. I know what you need. You need dilution, and that dilution, please stop at Mama Ekele's shop. See, she has Gare and she has Granite. She's the only person that can help your ministry. And that is what you need. Just go there, stop there, so that she will help you. How can a normal person be talking on the road? And what type of a human being is this? That is not being Indian hemo that is helping you. How can Indian hem help you? It's not helping you. The same attitude, the same madness attitude. I don't know if you people are doing madness competition in your family. So I just decided to ask you.
You are very stupid idiot. We'll go money.
It's better I am stupid though. It's better I am idiot though than being a mad person. As a good, I was just trying to help your people.
Let me kill you with this thing. Useless idiot. Look at you. Alcohol I made you now behave like who is epileptic. Idiot.
You are an old man, no? That is why.
In fact, let me give you now so that I don't have what I mean. Come on.
Hello? Hello, sir. Have you arranged the 2 million naira? In Hashigo, the 2 million naira. What? How much? So this man, you still can arrange, like, go to arrange the 500,000 naira. No. See, just reason and see your pikin don't die. Consider your daughter dead.
Dikeh, Hey, please, oh. Papa, please do whatever they ask you to do. Please, for my sake, I don't want to die.
You dey hear your daughter voice, Abi? You can hear her voice, right? Okay. Let me just have mercy on you.
Yes, please have mercy. Please have the mercy. Don't forget my name is Mercy. Please show mercy unto me. Because
Listen. Just make it 600,000 naira. That's the least I can do. And listen very carefully. Make sure you don't involve police in this, or else you consider your daughter dead.
no, he won't involve police. I know my father too, and he won't. He won't involve police because please don't kill me. Just be a little bit patient.
Listen to me very well. Oga, you will have to go to Oya Ife Market. Do you hear me? By 8 p.m. Then you drop the money there. Make sure you are coming there, putting on white up and down. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Make sure you don't come along with any police. Make sure you don't inform the police. I repeat myself, make sure you don't inform the police or consider your daughter dead.
I know now. No, now, please. Please, please, yeah.
Idiot. Stupid man. Rubbish.
Honestly, I'm not comfortable at all. My mind is not at rest in this Mercy's condition.
Put yourself together. Mercy must surely return. But let me tell you, two of you. You people should warn Papa not to involve any kind of police in this issue. Ha!
Did Papa say he was going to involve the police?
Yes, now.
No. Few minutes ago, before he left, he told me he was rushing to the bank now to get the money. It's not police station.
He said bank?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
Obi, when is Bremeka coming back?
Very soon.
Hope he has not been kidnapped as well.
Please shut up your mouth.
Here we go. That reminds me. The sudden kidnapping in this village is scaring me.
My sister, even me. But I thought it's only in the city that they kidnap people.
Do shut up. What are you saying? To the best of my knowledge, rich men are being kidnapped. Either their daughter or their son.
But what baffles me is the kidnap of Mazi Ejiofor's daughter. Why would they kidnap his daughter though he's rich?
My dear, there is something behind her kidnap, honestly.
Whether there is something behind it or there is nothing behind it, I don't care. I can see that this village is no longer safe for the both of us. Please, let's start going before they kidnap her.
Kidnap you and who? You see that they will kidnap?
See you at least. This your big bumper will be of a very big help
Thank
to
God,
them.
though. Thank God.
You cannot run. Why you reach here?
Bobby, I want you to escort me to your supermarket. Okay?
Be vigilant and let nothing happen to Papa.
Don't bother yourself. You can't do your You can't do your own. Okay? If anything wants to happen, let it happen.
Nothing will happen.
Oh, no, it's okay. Bobby, let's go.
Obi, Papa, but something is bothering me.
What is that, Papa?
What if after giving these people, these hoodlums, this money, and they refuse to release Mercy?
Papa,
what will I do?
Papa, they will release her. If They don't want to release her. They will not ask you to bring money. They will release her. Yes, Papa.
You they can release it.
Yes, Papa. I'm sure they will.
Maybe not lose double.
Papa, let's try.
Are you sure?
We can be of help. Oh God. What is still holding her? What is still holding Mercy? I fulfilled my own promise. Why wouldn't they fulfill theirs?
Nothing will happen to her.
I hope nothing will happen to her.
Let us have faith. She will come back.
I can't just understand this. Okay, what is still holding her? You remember what I asked you last night?
Papa,
She will come back. She will come
the
back.
money, right? Papa, did you keep the money exactly where they say you should keep the
I
money?
did. This kind of kidnappers, I don't know. Their one is different. Other kidnappers, give them what they want. They will release somebody. I don't know. Hey!
Mercy.
It's fine. It's fine. Thank God. At last. At last. My daughter is alive. Go prepare something. Go. Prepare water. Everything. Go. Prepare water. Everything.
Have the three of you gone mad? Basim alapabagunu. Don't you girls know that it is a taboo for females to be talking about land?
Mama, there is no atom of taboo in this matter. This land belongs to us now. Or are we slaves in this family?
You people are not slaves, but you don't have any right over your father's property. You don't want to write up now.
Mama, I disagree with you. See, this is 21st century, Mama.
Exactly.
Female children also have right to their father's properties.
It's a one. It is a lie. You lie, yo. Asiocha. Asibawalike. Isiwapuano. As far as Igbo is concerned, female, female, has no right over their father's property.
Mama, that was.
They don't talk about land.
We don't have. Mama, we don't have. Okay. We don't have any right, and it's an illegitimate child that has rights.
Whether illegitimate or not illegitimate, who never right? I am done with this discussion. Next time, I've told you people, I can deny you plenty time.
That was then.
Okay.
The world is changing. This 21st century. That was then.
You might sold the property my husband. Then when you are married, you go up, begin to claim your own husband's property. Found it too. It's a lie.
Mama,
this one is my own.
Mama, don't walk out. Don't walk out.
I'm for walking. I'm
this for the betterment of this family.
Also.
And the man decided for good. Let the man decide for him. Otera Otego. Atemeku Aniki. Let the man So just for him. Let the man decide for God.
Mekus, my man.
Obi Adada.
I hope your business in you went well.
Stand up and greet your brother. Welcome. Thank you. Yes, it went well. It went very fine. Papa?
Amaka? Good afternoon. What did you say you went to do in Oyo?
Okay, Papa, I went to do research on a particular business. As a matter of fact, I researched well. Yes.
What kind of business?
Papa, I am, from education, I want to venture into oil business.
What oil? Groundnut oil or red oil?
Why didn't you include Dikeh? That's palm kernel oil. Why didn't you put it? Papa, I went to research for this thing. I'm talking about the crude oil business.
Crude oil?
Yes.
Crude oil business?
Yes.
Anyway, let me not say much. Is that why you stayed so long in Oyo?
Yes, so Papa, as a matter of fact, Papa, I made some money from my friend's shop. Also, I made some money from my friend's shop. As a matter of fact, oil business is a very lucrative business, and it can get one tired. As I'm talking to you, man, I'm tired. I need to go inside and rest.
Crude oil.
Yes.
Let's go inside.
I hope you brought it.
Papa, because the way I'm seeing this girl now, I don't have how many posts. Papa, if suitors did not come while I was away, let me take this girl to go and sell her like okrika. Call her bell, bang, 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 bang. You understand? Very soon this girl will enter menopause or tongue naka.
Let me take it inside.
Go inside. Remove your hand. See, this morning, before we're going to share this morning, we'll have to pray first. I'm a naked boy, so let us pray before we share the money.
Which kind of prayer be this one again now?
Pray.
What's in the soap now? See, we share this money now, no time.
Because I am a peaceful person, and because I am a peaceful person, we have to share this money after prayer, and we're going to share the money equally. You understand? I don't like this book.
Emeka, please don't get me angry.
Meaning,
look. See, as you say, now action bitter now they take no.
I know.
Make my action no go bitter for your body. You hear me so?
Okay, my brother.
Which kind talk with that one now? That's not possible at all.
Why not possible? You know, say this thing na our father money, and we supposed get bigger share for this money.
See this man, oh. Now what when I come to talk, Abi? What of the girl will be saying for my house now?
No, say the Chris. But boy, come on, and they make you mad. Which house? Which girl they keep in which house? Whose sister? In my house.
Awesome.
Whose sister?
No, awesome.
The money that was brought. Who brought the money? Whose father brought the money? You're here telling me.
So the both of you are now shouting at me, Abi?
See, let me tell you. Get it. You see this money. You see this money that we're talking about. If you don't respect yourself, Uche, as I'm talking to you now, Uche, if you don't respect yourself now, you see this money? You see this money?
Emeka, are you shouting at me?
I'll change my mind.
Are you shouting at me?
I'll change my mind. The Chris.
Wait a minute. Change your mind about what?
About this money. In fact, I'm returning back this money to my father. Simple.
You are not serious. Emeka, the both of you are not serious.
Is that what your mind is telling you?
You are not serious about it.
Is that what your mind is telling you, that I'm not serious? I would prefer you smoke Igbo, because sometimes it's like Igbo is better than this thing you're taking now. This one is not making you confused. This one now is making you look at me and my brother like toothpick, like I use us and clean.
Emeka, you are insulting me.
This thing you're drinking now is making you see me and my brother like cotton board. You can use us and balance. But let me tell you, I am going to return this money. If you don't want me to return this money, I will not return this money on one condition.
What? Which is Emeka, what are you saying?
Not which is Ndenefenelu. Which is either we share this money equally or I return it. In fact, Emeka, Emeka, no, you're not taking that money anywhere. No, you're taking that money. No, let us take it. You should relax yourself. What's the problem here? Emeka, we were sharing this money now. Equal or not equal? Equal or not equal?
Answer.
Emeka. Are you agreed that we should share this money? Equal Emeka, listen to me. In the grace, are we sharing this money equally?
Now you the waste.
Stop him out. We are sharing this money equally. Emeka. Okay, no problem. Emeka. Listen. Emeka, I'm respecting you, Emeka, I'm Obi.
You accept
talk to your brother, Emeka. Talk to your brother, Emeka.
Or not?
Sisters in Christ, you are welcome.
Miyanki, I have been fighting you since so. You don't want to come to our church. See, you need serious deliverance.
Shut up. Who need deliverance? See, it is the three of you that need deliverance. Yes, including Ifi. Yes, including Ifi. See, in fact, you are possessed with the spirit of hatred. You are possessed with the spirit of wickedness. And you are also possessed with the spirit of disrespect, because if you have respect, you won't be talking to me like this.
Miyanki, do you know the meaning of all this rubbish you just said now? Do you?
If I don't know, why would I be saying? I know, because all these things I mentioned, you people has already planned to execute this mission on Odera.
How? If I may ask, who asked you?
It is my business, because if anything happens to Odera, if Odera disappears, if I may go, you people will say when, because your father's lineage is going to close. I don't know if you people know about it. It will close unless you are going to be in your father's house and be hatching children like eggs. Unless that. But besides that, if I'm wrong, people are finished. So, if anything should happen to Odera, that is when you will know that anything, when you see me talk, I know what to talk. With the help of this thing, I see what I'm not supposed to see, and I hear what I am not supposed to hear. It's really working.
Bless her, how are you? Yeah, fine. I was at Lagos for me when I heard about the cable. But I thank God they lose. Then to God be the glory. It was not an easy one, but I nearly had that attack. I hope you're not injured or hurt.
No, not at all, I'm not.
Please, you people should be very, 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 very careful.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much for your care.
Where did you say your father went?
He went out.
His car developed issue, so you need to fix it at the mechanic. Please, when he comes back, tell him again. Definitely we'll come back again.
My sisters, since yesterday I and Nneka met Miyanki, I've not been myself.
Is it about what Nneka told me about late Papa's lineage closing?
Seriously, I've been thinking since last night. But if you look deep down what he said, it's just the pure truth.
What Miyanki said wasn't just the truth, but the bitter truth. So the question is, what are we going to do about it?
I'm confused. I'm really confused. I don't know.
Oh boy. Obi. Bros, see the game why I play, if Arsenal fit just win Man City 2-0, God don't win 30 million naira.
30 million? Just like that?
Now they tell you so now. See, man, I tell you, by the time when this game enter, guy, I don't join the millionaires gang. Like, I'll be a million.
Yeah, I go follow you. Yeah, I go bet 100k. I go bet 100k join.
Obi no waste time, oh. No just waste time. Go put her now. May you just join the millionaire gang.
No time to waste.
You understand?
I go put my money
so that you go join this gang.
I go put money.
Yeah. See game. See, I calculate this one well.
Wait, that is hard. Yeah. Okay.
Jen.
Go. He's playing this. Oh, okay. Hey. Ooh. Good market. Yeah. Hold on. What's that? That's respectful. Jesus. You pick two. Yes, drop it for us. Wait. You know, it's been 2 days and Budemeka have not slept in this house. That's true. But did he tell you both that he was traveling? Not tell me.
This is strange. Messi, do you have airtime? Let's call him.
I think, I don't know if I have, I don't know if I have it. Please. He said I don't have sufficient airtime. Wait, my phone and call him. Bohemi. How are you? I'm fine, no. They are fine, they are here with me. What happened now? Since 2 days we have not seen you in the house. Okay, you went on business trip. Okay. When are you coming back? Okay, no problem. When you are coming, buy chocolate from you.
Not only how. For all of us.
Okay. Alright, now take care. Bye.
I heard you. Who's
Who put this?
Something like what? Something like what?
Wonder shall never end.
But wait, Nkechi.
What?
Nkechi. Wait, have you noticed the recent extravagant life Emeka and Obi are living these days?
Extravagant, you say, is an understatement. They now lavish money like Yahoo boys.
You are right. I suspect these boys that have joined Yahoo.
Few days ago, I saw Emeka on top of a bike, spreading money like a ritualist.
You're talking about Emeka? What of Obi? What's the name of that bar again? Ezindi Boba. Thank you. I saw him. He was busy buying things for everybody in that bar. A plate of meat. Imagine.
Very, very soon, we will know the source of their sudden riches.
But I suspect these boys. It's as if they have joined Yahoo Plus.
Which one is Yahoo Plus and Yahoo Minus again?
Please,
My God has never failed. I'm very sure that he will fail me. I want to train you in university. I desire to become the pride of this family. I don't know how God will do it, but I trust him. I trust what he can do. It's okay, my son. Come, let's go inside. Can you go? No, I want to go inside. I want to stay here. Just come with me. I want you to help me out with something. Oh?
Let no man decide for God. Let no man decide for him. Maka otera otego atemeku anike. Let no man suggest for him. Let no man decide for God. Maka otera otego atemeku anike. Tomorrow can be yours. It can be mine. No one knows. Atemeku anike can be yours. Maka otera otego.
Can't drop this one.
It can be mine.
I'm finished.
It can
All
be
my money.
yours. Someone else. Atemeku anike.
This one now.
It can be mine. Otera otego.
My dear, who is Obi talking to? Can't you see the paper in his hand?
Okay, they go back here. Water don't pass, Gary. My father told me that food penny is better than hot farm. It is finished. Means money don't finish. I beg, make no they go down. Wait here. We'll finish this gossip. Just the money. They made little money. They be acting as if they are rich ones.
Otera otego, atemeku anike. Let no man suggest for him. Let no man decide for God. Maka otera otego, atemeku anike. Achonu anike. Amenu anike.
Brother, please, I want you to manage this money. I don't know. I'm looking for my wallet. I don't know.
Bro, stop this nonsense now. Give me my money complete now.
Yes, I know. I just want you to manage this 15 naira. I don't even know if my wallet fell under your this thing. I've been looking for my wallet. I don't know the whereabouts. How?
Bro, see, they look for my trouble now. Give me my money complete now.
My brother, don't be angry. I am begging you. You're a man like me.
Nah, I don't like this thing now. I know the provoke me. Give me my money complete.
You're a man like me. Here, one. It can befall you. It can befall anybody.
I don't like this thing. Give me my money complete. Never say you know money complete. Come and tap back.
I had my money complete. I had my wallet. I didn't know what happened.
Give me my money complete.
I don't know what happened. My wallet. I was just. The man there. I want to keep it.
Give me my money complete. I don't like this.
Why is he holding you like this?
No, I entered his bike and we agreed on 400 naira. Actually, you know, I accepted that. Okay, I will pay. Arriving this place now, I didn't know what. I don't know. I've been looking for my wallet. My wallet. I don't know. My brother, you're a man like me. Behave
so wait.
Because, Mercy, did you see my wallet?
You're trying to tell me now that 350 will settle this case.
Finish, my brother. Look, you're a man like me. This kind of a thing can befall you. It can befall anybody. Nobody's above befallment. Nobody's above. Nobody's above. Nobody's above. You gave him 500 naira. Miss, my brother, go and pack that machine inside. We have bought it. Go and pack the machine inside the man. Enough? Look at this guy is supposed to pack this machine inside. Do you know how much you get?
Hey! Just stop embarrassing yourself. It's not good.
Miss, this is temptation. It can happen to anybody. You understand?
I was about going to the salon to make my hair, but as you can see, the money I was supposed to use for my hair, I gave it to the bike man.
Mercy, you actually did this. God is going to bless you. Mercy, let me tell you, God will give you a very good husband. I will make sure I provide a very good husband for you. If I don't see a good husband, I mold one for you. The one that will give you 400 naira with interest. A very good husband that will remember you in 400 naira need and even put interest for you. Now, as we dey like this now, you know, say I don't perpendicularly, they broke, and we are emotionally cashless, and perpendicularly we need to survive. Now, what are we going to do now?
This is a strong question.
About the verse. I just the verse. As in the truth be say, now so we go the day. Now so we go the day for this village.
But the thing be say, but you get what in the enter my head. I dey perpendicularly see say from a cut away that oil pipe no dey lack. Oil pipe no fit lock. Oil pipe it dey always dey flow in a perpendicularly way.
See, you get this guy will come back from Malaysia. You know, senator now, the senator.
Wait. Okay, you mean senator? That senator that came back December, we come the perpendicularly and lehu with his money and his car. They take and they do anyhow.
Anyhow, where they carry our babies now?
We need to say that is called carry all our girls. They do perpendicularly and lehu.
Yes, now that guy. I ain't seen him come back yesterday.
Wait, what are you suggesting? That we should go and beg him for money?
No, nah. Come make a reason on that. He refuse me so.
Again, I go. He not go away. He just walk away yourself. I'm not interested in this thing you're doing. No, but I go for them. I'm not getting Papa, don't put that key here. Don't put that key. Settle us and have peace. Share this land.
Now, let me tell you.
What is it?
Let me tell you. Are you out of your mind? Are you very stupid? You think you're stubborn, but I tell you, you are not. I am 10 times stubborn than you. Look at you. Eh? You're here. Now let me tell you what you don't know. Nothing in this world will make me share my property while I am still alive. It is not possible. I will never do
Papa,
this.
you lied. I said you lied. You see that property? You see that land? You're going to share that land now that you are alive. And if you said that you're not going to share this land while you're still alive, then on your grave, I will use my hand and partition the land. In fact, I will give you ruler on your grave. You share the land. Papa, you're going to share that land now.
Really? No problem. If Papa is going to share that land now, that means we the girls will have to take part in the sharing.
Says who? Says we. Let me ask you, where is it written? Who said that every female child will have right on the father's land?
In 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, under Section 42, Chapter 4, which takes care of the fundamental human rights, I quote, all human beings are born free and equal in dignity and rights.
Let me tell you. Let me clear you very well. You said 1991 Constitution.
1999.
1999 Constitution said. Yeah, talking about. You see why I said you're stupid? You see why I said you don't have sense? You're talking about 1999 Constitution taking us back. Where are we? We are in 2021. That means we are not talking about 1999. By the way, this is Umudim. Our constitution and tradition says that no woman will have right over the father's landed properties. And Anya, so spare me that nonsense.
Enough of this nonsense. What is your problem? What is happening here? The only thing I want to say is this, and I'm still saying it again and again. I will never share my property while I'm still alive. That one can only take place when I must have joined my ancestors. Then you will see my will. My will share it.
Papa, are you trying to say that females have right to share their father's properties?
Yes!
Under the power of their late father. Papa, let me ask you. Your sisters who are married, did they take part in the land sharing? Why was it you that took over everything? Why didn't your sisters come? Now you want my younger sister to come and take in your land? That was dead.
The reason we call for this meeting is because of Odera. We all know he's not part of this family.
Enough of that nonsense. I urge you to retrieve your words. Odera one is part of this family and will be part of this family forever. Mama. Don't you ever utter that nonsense again because I won't accept it.
Mama, when I mean Odera does not belong here, he's still part of the family. I mean biologically, but by tradition, he belongs here.
Thank God. Thank God that you do not understand. You do not understand what I am saying. I have been saying all this while.
Do understand. And we've come to conclusion that you can sell one of the lands from the 3 land to train Odera in the university.
Am I sleep? Is this a joke or am I hearing right?
By tradition, Odera is now a legitimate son of our late father. And all our late father's properties now belongs to him. Yes. So he bears our surname.
Hey. Jesus on your pio mamo. Agame sogidekio. Odigi mai majora pimo. Agame sogidekio. Jesus on your pio mamo. Hey!
Stand up.
Hey! God, you have never failed me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. Hey, my daughters. Thank you. I'm happy. Hey! Oh, thank God. Thank God for touching your heart. Thank you, my children. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, Nam. I said it. I know you are my son. I know. Hey! What happened? How did it happen? Hey!
Mama, we realized our wrongs now. Odera is our brother.
How?
And he's part of our family.
My God. How?
And the man decided for good. Let the man decide for him, my God. Odera, Odego, Atemeku, Anike. Let the man suggest for him.
On that CCTV footage, is a young man. This guy with jacket, I recognize him perfectly clear. That's the guy.
You are under arrest, young man. Arrest for what?
Hey! You think the police is stupid? Huh? See, the CCTV caught the 3 of you on a robbery in one senator's house. I just came back from Malaysia. 3 of us.
Robbery what? How can I rob what?
Shut up! We are from Area F Police Command. You have every right to remain silent because anything you say here will be used against you in the court of law. Now move them.
Sir, I have not. I didn't.
Move! Come on, you!
I don't even know the step of rob. How do they say rob? The only rob I know now, rob. The one where after if you get wounded, they will rob you. That's the rob I know. Rob opposite of Okuma is opposite of rob. Come on, that's one way to say they rob on the face and they rob on the wound. That's the only rob I know. The only rob I know is
suggest for you. Let the man decide for God, my God. Odera,
General Market. Are you sure you want to see my last card? Are you sure you want to see my last card?
No, don't try it too much.
I said Jen is me to blame. Your brother, Obina and Emeka, they have been arrested by police.
Arrested?
Yes.
For what? For what?
I don't know.
What did they do? Say it.
Why are these people running like this? What is just the problem? Hey, let me see if I was when I took my drink, I like seeing. I like seeing what I'm not supposed to see. Now I cannot follow these people up. I cannot follow them up because I need to know where they are.
I saw them, they were right here. I saw them. No. Let's ask them. Please. Please.
Do you see my brothers?
Is it Emeka?
Yes, that's what we're talking about again.
We saw them.
Where?
We saw them in the police van.
Police!
Wait, police van.
Hey!
Do you watch the police van?
What? Where do police van take people to?
Let's just take this road. Let's take the police station.
Hey! Jesus! Hey! Where will I stand down from? Hey! Police is inside! Police is inside! Police is inside! Inside! They've gone. Stupid! You think I'll follow you people to the police station? I'm not being man. Don't you know if you're police more than the people there?
Tomorrow can be yours, it can be mine. No one knows. It can be yours, Maka. Otera Otego. Adachoku Wanike. It can be mine, it can be yours, or someone else. It can be